with sacred stone blocks. Worship. They worship a wall that sprouts flowers. Worship with side curtains. A wall. Flowers. Boy pilgrim, head covered. Worship. They write prayers. With the bomber and the building. Embrace. Disintegrate. And the plane. And the plane. Reforms. Flaps its wings and flies backwards. Up. The building will rebuild. And spits the bomb back with the bomber and the building. Exploding fragments sprout a tree. Tree. Swing. A maple. Bushes. And flowers. They burst out. Waterfall. Sprouts a tree. With vines from tree to tree. A walking tree. Prayers. A prayer in a crack in the wall. But the paper flips out. Cracks form in the wall. Cracks, flowers crumbling, pieces, chunks, slabs, whole slabs, swells, opens up, spewing prayers that read, I love you, and forgive me, be peace. Prayers wrap him up, and spiral him off. The whole earth swells. Erupts prayers that circle and condense into a new world, rotating beside the old, the new, and the old.
Uncut.
The wall with sacred stone blocks. Worship. They worship a wall